Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rotate a picture on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the Photos app. Tap on the library or albums at the bottom. From the Pictures library, open up a picture. Then tap on the Edit button at the top. Next, at the bottom, tap on the Crop button. Now go to the top here and tap on the Rotate button. This will allow you to rotate the picture 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Keep going. So if you want to keep rotating, just keep tapping on the Rotate button at the top. And if you want to rotate the picture at a slight angle, tap on the Rotate button at the bottom here and use the slider bar to rotate the pictures at a smaller angle. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the Done button to save the changes. If you need to revert back to the original photo, tap on the Revert button. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.